Calendly does not currently offer built-in phone number verification for user accounts or event scheduling. However, if you would like to ensure phone number collection or verification for meeting confirmations or reminders, there are a few effective methods you can use within Calendly or with integrations. Add the phone number field in event settings. In each event type, go to Invitee Questions. You can add a custom question to request the invitee's phone number. Choose Required to make it mandatory, ensuring invitees provide their number when booking. Use integrations for verification. Connect Calendly with external tools like Zapier or Twilio to verify phone numbers automatically. For instance, after a booking, you could set up an integration that sends a confirmation code or message to the invitee's phone number through Twilio. This approach requires setting up an account with these services and the basic knowledge of integrations. Enable SMS reminders. Calendly's Professional and Teams plan allows SMS reminders, which send automated texts to invitees if a valid phone number is provided. While this doesn't verify the number in the traditional sense, it ensures that the number they provide is used for meeting reminders.